This is a video on how to fast import packs into forward contracts on Merchanter. So first thing to do is to have a template spreadsheet to work from. So if you go to the reports menu and go down to advanced analysis, in there you'll find a template for the pack spreadsheet. You can add in here additional templates as you generate them for different styles of pack file as sent by different suppliers. You'll see what you have in here is a couple of different types of table where you can enter information in from a supplier spreadsheet with things like supplier references. Maybe it's a file that's got a matrix of lengths with different quantities within the pack against each length, or it may be something where there's a singular table where you have a single length against the product and a number of pieces in a pack, as with the example we're going to work through here. So with this one, we've got a supplier's spreadsheet here. We can add in information from the supplier's spreadsheet to be able to get what we need. Copy each of those columns. So I'm doing the thickness first, width. This is not essential, it just helps in terms of rationalizing down the products. And the basic description. Hopefully with other supplier spreadsheets, the information will actually be common to a singular sort of product description against each one, but this helps with this particular format. And so the thickness, width and the product description is giving us a sort of more unique product description for the individual product. If we know it, we can put a product code in from our system, but that's not essential again. Then we can go and put in the shipper's reference, which in this particular spreadsheet is the barcode field. So let's go and get the column of those. In there, and we're going to get the length in each pack. Now again, in this particular spreadsheet, this has been put in millimeters, and therefore the template has been set up to convert the millimeter entry into a meterage. So if I come in here and paste it in, you'll see 4800 is converted into 4.8, and then we need to put in the number of pieces that are in each pack. So if we go back to our source spreadsheet, here we go, number of pieces, choose that column and paste that in, and away you go. And so what that is doing is within this particular table, I can now open this spreadsheet up. You'll see that firstly I've got filters so that I can look at everything to do with one particular product, and it's giving me a description at the end that matches the input format on the system. So what I can do then is if I switch back to the Merchanter system here and we go back home, I've started a blank forward contract, so we can come in and edit this. And so if we look up the product that we're actually entering, normally at the point of doing pack entry you would have a quantity that had already been ordered, and you would simply come to the specified pack entry in order to update that overall quantity into the particular packs that are there. If you click on the specified pack entry, there's two options here. Add blank pack is the way to manually add single packs at a time, or the green add packs button takes us into the fast pack entry. With fast pack entry, you'll see it gives a written description of how to actually enter the pack details. The idea being that if you've got something like a PDF where you're not able to pull the information off, or it's handwritten document, you can simply type the pack information in here and it's faster than entering blank packs one at a time. But we've got the spreadsheet data, so let's go back to our spreadsheet, and then all we need to do is to filter back to the product that we're actually looking at here. So I'm going to take this particular item, and you can see in here I've got a whole series of different packs, and all I need to do is copy this column here, for the packs that I have, paste it in here and do add packs to order. And that has now gone and created those particular packs. I've now got the detail here, so for each pack it's created, you see the system has allocated a pack reference, it's brought in the shipper's pack reference, it's got the specification, so in this case 121 3.6s, and that's giving me a total length, total area, total volume and number of pieces. I can go and review this by sort of scrolling down through all of the packs that we've created. They're still editable at this stage, so I can go in, I can change the quantities, I can delete any packs I brought in accidentally that weren't actually against this particular product, whatever it may be. But if we're happy with that, I can hit confirm, and that adds that item in. You can see all of those packs in there. I can then go and find the next product and enter the packs in against that particular product. Hope you found that useful.